Hi, this is John. Are you using GoalSeek on a daily basis to resolve some problems in Excel? Today I'm going to show you how to create a template using a macro. Let's get started. Now we have a table here. The goal is to change Cassie's salary. In order to make the sum of everybody's salary into a target number, which is 1.05 million. Click Trace Precedence. Total is the sum of subtotal of each body's salary, and Cassie's is one of them. So that's logic. This is a very small one, but I'm using this as a demonstration. Let's remove it. So you can go to Data, What If Analysis, GoalSeek. So you can select the cell F13 and put a target number, which is 1.05 million, and changing D11, and then click OK. So that will give you the answer. So D11 will be manipulated to get the target number. That's how to use a GoalSeek to resolve a problem. But if you are working on the same problems on a daily basis, you don't have to use GoalSeek each time. Instead, you should create a template with macros that save you a lot of time. You can go to Developer and Visual Basic. You see Micro one? Now we can copy this code and paste it in. So let's look at the code. So basically, F13 is selected and its number will be targeted at G13 by varying the number of D11. That's how this macro works. Let's save this macro. Click Yes and close the Visual Basic windows. And let's click a button, drag and release, and select the macros we created. And let's change the name of button 42 to something you want. Let's put CALC, and then you can just simply click on it. You see, now D11's value is manipulated to achieve the goal of F13 using the value in G13. That's how it works for this macro. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell. Feel free to leave your comments. I'll see you guys next time.